the thing is that, first of all, get the military narrative correct.
Yeah.
The military narrative at the end of this is very simple.
Yeah.
While the Pakistan Air Force has been able to maintain its credibility, what we have done by our strike, primarily because we have damaged ourselves, we have damaged the credibility of our Air Force, we have damaged our conventional war deterrence, which is provided by the Air Force, for the simple reason we do not have the escalation capabilities for war.
Explain that, because I know a lot of people here would disagree with you fundamentally.
So I am not giving any secrets out. Every day, and everybody who is interested in national security, we read the papers, we know the ammunition is not there, we know the aircraft are not there, we know so many things, equipment is not there. Now,
but Pakistan is a bankrupt country and cannot afford a war. So of course, our modernization, our upgradation could happen quicker, could happen better.
No, Barkha. We get everything wrong here for the simple reason there is something called, 2 points have to be made here. Pakistan today is in a strong position. If you talk of the Air Force itself, they have something like 26 combat squadron, and whatever our Air Force may say, and this has been counting which never works, but I'm still doing it. You know, we are somewhere in 28, 29, we are no more there. I mean, the Air Force has been asking the government for all this. Now, if you do a strike for publicity, without a escalatory...
Why would you say that?
I'm just coming to that.
There was a Pulwama attack.
No.
40 CRPF men died.
Listen. There are two things here. Now, what we did was, we said it's a non-military strike. We chose a place where the closest airfield, was 100 kilometers away in Rawalpindi. That is the place we chose. And at night, we did this thing, and everything finished in about 5 minutes. And if somebody, Air Force officer, anybody will tell you, if the F-16s have to scramble from Rawalpindi and the 4 stations close by, they'll take a minimum 10 minutes, primarily because the war is not imminent and the war is
So what's your larger point? Your larger point?
My larger point is, for God's sake, build your war fighting capabilities, otherwise